In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-reference in fields in Framer. Let's start inside your Framer project. Open the CMS panel from the left sidebar. This is where all your content collections live and where we'll create the connection between entries. You might see multiple collections such as categories and articles. For this walkthrough, we'll work in articles, since we want each article to reference other related articles. Open the articles collection and switch to the fields view. Here, add a new field and choose multi-reference as the type. A multi-reference lets a single entry link to many items from another collection, which is perfect for things like related posts, recommended reads, or curated lists. When Framer asks which collection this field should reference, select Articles. This means each article can point to multiple other articles. If a confirmation appears, choose Yes to proceed. Give the field a clear, descriptive name so your team knows exactly what it's for. Something like Related Articles works well. Keep the description brief but helpful, and decide whether this field should be optional or required based on your publishing workflow. If there are visibility or layout options for how the field appears in the table view, adjust those now to make filtering and sorting easier later. With the field created, open any article entry to populate it. Click into the new Related Articles field and start selecting the items you want to connect. For example, choose entries like What's New, Importing Content, Best Practices, Styling Elements, and Getting Started. You can add several at once, and you can remove or reorder them if your design uses a specific display order. A quick tip: use search to find items faster in large collections, and keep your naming consistent so editors can confidently pick the right entries. Once your selections look good, return to the collection view and double-check that the Related Articles field shows the items you picked. Everything is saved as you go, but it's always worth a quick review to ensure the relationships are accurate. When you're ready to make these changes live, publish your project. Click Publish, then confirm with Update to push the new field and its connections to your live site. After publishing, preview a page that uses this collection to verify your design displays the related content as intended. That's it. Your multi-reference field is set up, populated, and live, giving your visitors richer